collect emails with Google Sites, follow these steps. Create a Google form. Go to Google Forms and create a new form by selecting a blank form. Add the field for collecting email addresses. For this, use a short answer question and enable the response validation option to make sure the input is an email. Optionally, add additional fields you want to collect along with the email. Set up email collection. On the form, click on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Under General, check the box for Collect email addresses if you want responses to include their email addresses automatically. Get the embed code. Once the form is ready, click Send at the top right of the form builder. Click the embed icon, copy the provided HTML embed code. Embed the form in Google Sites. Go to your Google Sites page and click on the Insert menu. Select Embed and paste the copied HTML code. Click Insert to add the form to your site. Publish the site. After embedding, click Publish on Google Sites to make the page live. Visitors can now fill out the form, and you will receive the emails directly in Google Forms responses.